Assalamu alaikum everyone, all my friends and followers and respectable viewers. Hope that you are doing good by the mercy of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. And today in this lesson we are going to learn about how can we make sentences by using our surroundings. In the previous video I have told you that if you want to learn English properly or accurately, you have to practice more and more, and you have to try to make sentence by using your surroundings, and you have to explain your surroundings in by using various types of words. So today I have already written some words on whiteboard. Look at the whiteboard carefully, and now we will make sentence by using these words. First of all, I have written a word, a pen. How can we make a sentence by using this word, a pen? We know the meaning of the word, a pen. So the first sentence is, we can say, people use a pen for writing something. Likewise, the second word is a pen. We know the meaning, the what is the pen. So the sentence we make, that is, we use a, sorry, here spelling mistake, pen. We use a pen for frying, or we can say cooking. Okay, and the third word is a bus. We know the meaning, what is the bus. So we can say people use a bus for going another place. Okay, and the next word is a knife. So what is the sentence we can make? I bought a knife from this market. Okay, or people use knife for cutting various things. And the next word is comb. Everyone, if you don't know the meaning of this word comb, please comment. And the how can we make a sentence by using these words, a comb? We can make, we use a comb for combing hair, for combing hair. Okay, and the next sentence is ruler. We know the meaning. What is the ruler? Ruler means scale. So we can say she is using a ruler to draw lines. Okay, and the next word is a glass. So what is the sentence we can make? We can say I use a glass to drink water. Okay, the next sentence we can make by using these words, a ball. What can we make? we can say children are playing by using a ball. Okay. Likewise, in this way, you also can make various types of sentence by explaining your surroundings. And this is the way to learn English properly and easily. Stay connected with my page and pray for me.